How to delete Google Play Store purchase history. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily delete Google Play Store purchase history. So first just head over to your Play Store application, and once you're inside here just tap on this your profile icon at the top right corner. Now simply select your Google account just like this and just head over to your data and privacy section, and now simply scroll all the way down until you see the option called delete or Google service. Now simply tap on this. So it basically removes the service which you are no longer in need. So it might ask you for the password, so you can just come over here and just enter your password, and once inside here just delete any of the services which you don't want from now on, and simply click on delete, and just like that you should be successfully able to delete your Google Play Store purchase history. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.